For Presidency 2023, Peter Obi Support Network.
It is very good to be important, but it's much more important to be good. For me, yes, it's better than sacrifice.
Yes. So during the events there, you said that you had a scholarship from Mr. Peter.
Yes, so I met Mr. Peter in 2013. That's after I've represented my university of Ibadan in 2 international competitions. So I wrote then Governor Peter to support me for another academic event in Switzerland, which I couldn't fund for myself. Then to my surprise, Governor Peter invited me to the government house and cleared all the financial implications for it.
Did you know anybody at the government house?
No, I didn't. I didn't know.
Are you from Anambra?
I'm from Anambra.
Where exactly?
From Newi South.
Okay. So at that point, how did you write? Did you just use, how did you write the letter?
So it just occurred to me that I could write to my governor.
So you wrote a letter?
I wrote a letter.
With DHL or what?
I wrote a letter and I gave it. There was a professor that I know that was going to meet Peter. So the professor had a meeting with Peter. So I asked the professor if it's possible for him to hand over this letter to Peter. So the professor handed it over to Peter, and Peter read it and called me.
Okay, so when he called you, he paid all your tuition, all your fees?
Yes, he paid the tuition fee for the training, my flight ticket, and my accommodation for the duration of my stay for the summer program in Switzerland.
Okay, so now you're a medical doctor?
I'm a doctor. I studied, I'm not a medical doctor, a PhD.
Okay, so what's your field?
International law.
International law?
Yeah, so I happen to be a lawyer in Nigeria, so I went to Switzerland. After the training, I learned about an opportunity to do a master's program in Switzerland. So I returned back to Nigeria and went for and applied for the master's, and I got a scholarship. Then after that, I did a PhD. I graduated last year, so I'm currently a lecturer in Italy, but I still consult at the United Nations in Geneva.
So since he paid your school fees, you haven't said any thank you to him until today?
I sent a letter, but I don't know whether he received it when I came back, but I've not seen him physically until today.
Okay, so you just heard that he's around, then you flew in?
Yes, a friend of mine happened to be the coordinator of Professor Gomez, so he told me that Peter B is going to be around, so I had to fly. When he told me that, I flew in from Switzerland to participate in the event.
Thank you very much. You're welcome.
Thank you so much for having me.